Hello everyone, welcome to my channel LearnHub with CH. In this video we will learn 15 English words with meaning and sentences. This is day 1 of our 60-day English learning challenge. If you want to speak English from zero, watch this video until the end and practice with me. Let's start learning English. The first word is hello. The meaning is a greeting when you meet someone. Let's make a sentence. Hello, how are you? The second word is hi. The meaning is a short and friendly greeting. Let's make a sentence. Hi, nice to meet you. The third word is name. The meaning is the word people call you. Let's make a sentence. My name is Ali. The fourth word is friend. The meaning is a person you like and trust. Let's make a sentence. He is my best friend. The fifth word is learn. The meaning is to get knowledge. Let's make a sentence. I want to learn English. The sixth one is speak. The meaning is to say words with your voice. Let's make a sentence. She can speak English well. The seventh word is book. The meaning is something you read. Let's make a sentence. I read a book every day. The eighth word is teacher. The meaning is a person who teaches. Let's make a sentence. My teacher is very kind. The ninth word is student. The meaning is a person who studies. Let's make a sentence. He is a good student. The 10th word is school. The meaning is a place where students study. Let's make a sentence. I go to school every morning. The 11th word is write. The meaning is to put words on paper. Let's make a sentence. Please write your name here. The 12th word is read. The meaning is to understand written words. Let's make a sentence. I like to read English stories. The 13th word is help. The meaning is to assist someone. Let's make a sentence. Can you help me? The 14th word is happy. The meaning is feeling good or joyful. Let's make a sentence. She feels happy today. The 15th word is home. The meaning is the place where you live. Let's make a sentence. I am going to home now. Great! Today we learned 15 English words. Practice these words and sentences every day to improve your English. If you like this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to my channel LearnHub with CH. Don't forget to watch day 2 to learn more English words. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.